Hey creators, welcome back to Digital Delegator. Today I'm showing you Pippit AI, an amazing tool that lets you generate full videos up to 60 seconds in one click. No cutting, no stitching, no manual editing required. Everything is automatic. Now go to www.pippit.ai. I'll put the description link below. And you can log in using your email or Google account. If you've ever spent hours editing videos, cutting clips, stitching scenes, adding transitions, you know how time-consuming it can be. Pippit solves this problem by letting AI handle the entire editing process automatically, generating a complete 45 to 60-second video for you. Here's how it works. Let's go back to Homepage, then select Video. I'll write a detailed prompt describing what you want in each scene. For me, I write, visual style, bright, clean, and friendly. Natural lighting with clear details. Smooth transitions and dynamic pacing. Audio, light, energetic background music. Clear, confident voiceover explaining benefits. Tone, trustworthy, practical, appealing to both students and parents. Create a 1-minute promotional video for a school backpack designed for students and parents. Structure, opening, 0 to 5 seconds. Eye-catching introduction showing the backpack in use. Product design, 5 to 20 seconds. Show appearance, color options, lightweight material, modern style. Functionality, 20 to 40 seconds. Show large capacity, multiple compartments, ergonomic shoulder straps, breathable back panel. Usage scenarios, 40 to 55 seconds. Backpack used for school, studying, commuting, or outdoor activities. Closing, 55 to 60 seconds. Strong product summary and call to action. Select ratio, I choose 16:9. Then select your video length, choose 45 to 60 seconds. Then hit generate. Pippit automatically creates a full 60-second video in one go. There's no need to manually cut clips, add transitions, or adjust timing. It's all done for you. Here's the result.
Tired of bulky, disorganized backpacks? Meet the ultimate school companion designed for busy students and parents who value quality. With a sleek, modern design and a variety of vibrant colors, it's the perfect blend of style and function. Engineered with lightweight, durable materials, it feels as good as it looks, making every day easier. Its smart, large-capacity design.
Pippit generates a complete video that's ready to post or reuse. You can see smooth transitions and consistent visuals, and it's very beginner-friendly. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this can save hours of editing time. Since the video is AI generated, you might occasionally notice small visual inconsistencies, but you can easily refine the prompt or regenerate the video to improve the results. And that's it. If you want to generate long videos without editing, try Pippit. It's free to use right now. Link in my bio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tool tutorials on Digital Delegator.